Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, and it is giveaway time, people, it's time to call out some names of some winners of some awesome watch faces, right? Now, we got 3 developers that we're giving away watch face codes to, and most of them are going to be for the US. We're going to have some more for the overseas. And PW is 1, and then we got Roma in the building, and we got my man GS. We want to thank the developers in the door for the donation of these watch faces here on Huck's World. We do appreciate you. All the developers got down this week. They did a very great job on these watch faces, and I'm very impressed. Now, before we go to calling out the names, I want to address this first. First of all, just in case you don't know, if you're watching this video for the first time and you want to win a free watch face code, all you simply got to do is just comment. Just comment in the comment section down below on all the videos that you watch, and you'll have an opportunity to win. There's a lot of people that get called over and over again because the community is small. Not a lot of people are commenting on the videos in the comment section down below. Now, I'm going to leave my email across the screen, and I'm going to put my email in the description box down below so you too can email me, so I can put you on my emailing list. So therefore, when you comment in the comment section down below and I see your name, I can email you with the free watch face code ASAP. Now, I had a couple of people that said that I picked the same people over and over again, but those people are the only ones who continue to comment over and over and over again, so their chances increases of winning watch faces over and over and over again. So if you want to win a free watch face code, just email me and comment in the comment section down below, and you too can have an opportunity to win. I had to address that. I'm not picking favorites or anything like that. Just wanted to let the people know, just in case you wanted to know how to win a free watch face code. That's how you do it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and call out the names. Sorry for dragging this out, but I had to put that out there just so people would understand how they can win. All right, so we're going to start off with PW. Now, PW got down. Now, I did series 1. We got a couple of more series coming from PW, so look out for that one. Now, PW 109, congratulations, Jam from the US. You won 109, and he got down on that one. He got down on all of them. Now, this one here is PW 107A. Now, Robert Noblet, congratulations once again. You are a winner. We got Big Will in the building. You won a free watch face code. And Kryptonia, thank you for your loyal support on the channel, and thank you for always being there. Now, we have for PW 115A, it's going to be my man Vince. We got Janet, congratulations Janet, and we got Josh. Congratulations on the win. And we got GS Digital. Now, Adrian was lucky enough to win GS Digital. GS Digital was off the charts. You guys like that one as well. Congratulations, Adrian, and continue to comment, my friend. We also got a Roma Silly 3. Now, that watch face was off the chain so far as an analog watch face, a luxury looking watch face. I thought my man really put both feet into that one, especially so far as the detailing is concerned. But let's go off and call the winners, right? Now, for the US, we got William Pierce. We got for Canada, Trap Shooter. For the UK, it's going to be Richie. And for India, it's going to be Raj. And Raj always gets a free watch face code over and over and over again, because he's the only one from India that's commenting on my channel. If you know anybody from any country, from anywhere that wants to win a free watch face code, ask them to email me so I can put them on the list, and then comment in the comment section down below on the watch faces, on the watch face videos that they want to win. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for dragging this out. Enjoy the rest of your day and or night, and I will see you all at the next video. Take care.